Bitcoin is bouncing from support right now, and in this exact video I will talk about the most important consolidation phase. I will talk about Bitcoin that currently is still trading in the consolidation phase that we're right now. I will talk about this consolidation phase and how we could be breaking outside of it. I will talk about the most important patterns and many more important stuff, because right now we're making more than 1.5 Bitcoin on our Bitcoin trade. So in this exact video I will give you guys an update on that and many more stuff. So don't forget to slap off that like button on today's update video. Okay, when you once again smash it back above 500, that will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. To be very honest, the last 2 weeks have been very boring for Bitcoin, because basically Bitcoin has been trading in this sideways consolidation phase for already 2 weeks. And after we created the range, I said to everyone out there on the channel, we have to wait to see whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking outside of the range. That is the point where volatility is really going to pick up again. So ever since Bitcoin has been trading in this range, Bitcoin has not really created that big of a move and basically has been traded around known places. And of course, that is that 30,000 US dollars. So right now we're just still waiting to see whether Bitcoin is going to be breaking the top side of resistance or the lower side of support to break bullish or bearish. On the 4-hourly time frame, you can currently see that Bitcoin is creating an upward sloping support line, and Bitcoin actually bounced from off this support line, what is of course a very beautiful thing to see. And it looks to be that this trend is a very respected trend, because Bitcoin bounced already more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th time yesterday we bounced from off this level. So this is a super important level to be looking at, and currently we once again are bouncing from it. Of course, on the 4-hourly time frame, you can also clearly see one resistance level on the top side. What is the 31.2k? And that is clearly the level we need to be breaking if we were to be breaking bullish. And of course, you can clearly see, if you zoom out right now, we're creating maybe somewhat of an ascending triangle, or basically just a consolidation phase for Bitcoin. And the criteria for a breakout is just to see a break above the range high, or either a breakdown, and the criteria for a breakdown will have to be a break of the lower side of the range. So I will be keeping my eyes wide open on this level right here, and as soon as we do break outside of this range, that is the point where I would be expecting Bitcoin is going to once again create massive volatility. Do also take into account that Bitcoin created an approximately 25% move towards the upside, and ever since it moved 25% towards the upside, it has not gone lower, and ever since it had a stable consolidation around this region right here. So as soon as we do break outside of the region, we are expecting there's going to be once again a super exponential movement, whether it's going to be up or whether it's going to be down here. I see many people on Twitter turning bearish right now, what is actually making me feel a little bit more bullish. I personally think there's still that upside potential, and you can see here yesterday we were looking at the symmetrical triangle, we broke back in towards it, we bounced from off the lower side of support, and right now we're actually trading above it again. So it is actually also looking quite good here. And of course, on the 4-hourly time frame, we're creating that ascending triangle where I will keep my eyes wide open towards right now here. Furthermore, we can see that I'm currently still in this long position, and I've been saying it for quite a while. I am not going to be closing up my Bitcoin long position anytime soon here, because my price targets are around $38,000 to $40,000, and personally, I think it's very easily to reach. And if you did join me with this trade, since I showed it on my YouTube channel, and you also still got the position open, and of course, I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm only showing you what I am doing, but I'm going to remain to hold my position. And if Bitcoin ever goes below $25,000 again, I'm just going to add more margin, exactly like I told everyone out there on the channel on the strategy on how I was opening up this Bitcoin long position. So if Bitcoin really goes lower, I'm just going to add more margin, because I think that Bitcoin and the bear market is behind this, and I right now want to get a very good swing trade entry price for my next position. So that is of course the thing I'm looking at. Furthermore, if you do want to be trading, go to the link in the description right now here, because we've got another 25 days. Because right now you can claim a free 1,000 US dollar Bitcoin or XRP position. And all you need to do to claim this free 1,000 US dollars is sign up an account using the link above, deposit $100 within 7 days, and enjoy your free 1,000 US dollars XRP or Bitcoin long position. So make sure to go to the link in the description to claim this deposit bonus. This is currently only for the XRP one, 90% left here. So as soon as it hits 0, there's no availability in the stock, so be quick. Make sure to benefit from this insane deposit bonus. Furthermore, we can currently clearly still see the resistance to break. It's super simple. It's $31,000 to $32,000. We just have to see a break above that level if we were to see Bitcoin going higher. And of course, as well, on the 3-day time frame, we can currently clearly see Bitcoin is creating a cup and handle, and the exact resistance is that $31,000 or that 30.7k, where we're getting rejected from every single time. So as soon as we do break above that level, that is the point also where the market could start to shift around here, and where we could start to see more exponential price action getting created. And of course, I mean, it's quite boring because I'm talking about this for already 2 weeks in a row here, and nothing really has changed here. The Bitcoin, the resistance to break, is $31,000 to $32,000. And to be very honest, if we really want to be seeing a move on the imminent short term, it has to first break outside of this range. And if we break outside of the range, that is the point where we go exponential. So that is why you can, of course, open up a trade if we break bullish, or you can open up a trade if we confirm the break bearish to be doing so. But for now, I just have to be a little bit more patient. And I mean, the consolidation phase we've been looking at, some have been breaking out, some have been breaking back in towards it, like you can see right here. But basically, we're expecting there's going to be a gigantic breakout happening as soon as Bitcoin breaks outside this yellow box right here. So get ready for that. I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on this box here. Also, it's important to pay attention towards this upward sloping support line we're currently creating. Attention right now here, Bitcoin looks to be pumping a lot right now in the imminent short term, so maybe we're going to be breaking outside of the yellow box today, and if that happens, you know what's going to be happening next. Bitcoin could see exponential movements, and if Bitcoin breaks above this historical level, we're going to see an entire new Bitcoin bull run getting reinitiated. So get ready for that. That was it for me on today's update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.